You have to wear a tie for some reason? There's lots of different reasons to wear one, but you don't know how to do it? I'm going to show you how. Welcome to Adulting Life 101. My name is Adam, and today I'm going to show you guys how to tie a tie. There's not a lot of reasons you have to wear a tie anymore. Most businesses kind of got away with them, but if you're a doctor or a lawyer, or unfortunately you have to go to court or something, you need to learn how to tie a tie. They have all these different things online showing you like, oh, do the Windsor knot, do the pinch, do this, do that. None of that's necessary. It takes 5 seconds to learn how to tie a tie. So I got a tie here. I'm right-handed, so this is going to be a little different if you're left-handed. So you pop your collar up. You can pick whatever shirt you want. Now, most people do the button first. All these other tie tutorials online, they have like, oh, do these flips and do this pinch and all. You don't need all that. The long side goes over. Make it real easy. Just go behind, around, like that. Then you just go up and through. Then what you do is you take this part, loosen a little, put it through the hole, and there you go. It's really that easy. And then what you do is, it looks kind of janky right now, but you adjust it. Yeah, you might say, oh, the top's not even, blah, blah. Your collar hides all that, so it doesn't really matter. Square it up, put your collar down, and there you go. Easy enough. Now this back part here, got a little back part to tie. You're like, oh, how do I secure this thing? There's actually a little notch here to hold the tie. So what you do is you put the tie in this little hole so it doesn't flap around everywhere. You always want your tie to come to the top of your belt right here. It's going to take a couple tries of practice. I've just been doing it forever, but as long as you follow these tips, you'll be able to tie a tie. It's super easy. It took me like 3 seconds to do it, and you guys can take 3 seconds too. Please hit that like button, notification bell, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.